Hello there guys, Tyrant0 here, welcome to my channel. If you're like me, you probably decided to start a few new art websites, or maybe you've decided to go back and check out some of your less active art accounts to go back and upload art there again, especially with some of the more questionable things that DeviantArt, DeviantArt, ArtStation, etc. have been doing. You all know the news from recent months. So I'm sure you decided you want to go and upload your art somewhere else. And then you realize that you have a whole huge backlog from years and years and years that, oh dear, how am I going to upload all of that? Well, thankfully, there's a neat little app called Postybirb. So why don't we just check out this Postybirb thing? There we go. I've opened up Postybirb. So Postybirb is basically your basically a batch art upload program that lets you upload art to a whole bunch of different websites, and that's really nice and useful because if you have a whole bunch of art accounts, you don't want to go uploading it individually every single time. So over here, let's just check out accounts, and you can see over here there's a whole bunch of accounts that you can upload to. The ones that I use right here, you can see DeviantArt, still using DeviantArt even though I hate it. For Affinity, Coffee, Newgrounds, Pixit, Tumblr. So these are what I have logged in. And of course there are other websites you can use, Weasel, Twitter, Telegram. And of course there are a number of ones that are probably slightly questionable. We won't talk about that over here. You can use your imagination. There is one unfortunate thing about this list is that it doesn't have Instagram and it doesn't have Facebook. Who really uses that anyway? I guess some people do. So that's the only downside. Otherwise, you can upload to a whole bunch of places. And this over here is the interface for you to upload your art. So let's just do a nice quick example by pulling an artwork. All you have to do is just drag and drop it inside here. Nice and easy. It might take a couple seconds for it to load. Also doing that. There we go. It's now uploaded into list. And you can go there, edit, and you can see now you're in the interface, which is really neat. But I'm going to go jump into one that I've already uploaded and edited nicely, this Zapdos. So here's my Zapdos submission. It's not submitted yet. But as you can see, you have your primary art, your thumbnail, and you can schedule over here, which is really neat. You can schedule it right now if you want, or you can schedule it sometime in the future. This is a good feature so that you can batch upload and schedule it all for all the different websites that you want. Rather than doing it individually. And some websites require you to have a premium subscription, and with this you don't need it, and that's another perk. And of course you can set your rating, and then you can have your tags, your description, etc. And all of this, you can do it for all different sites or platforms, and you don't have to copy and paste and do it multiple times for all the websites. All you have to do is go over here to your websites, whichever ones you logged in, and then just check it. Just check the box, and as you can see, it pops up right here, DeviantArt. Nice. And you can also choose your folder category. You can choose multiple folders, mature content, and all that other stuff. So that's all really neat. I'm not going to do the DeviantArt because I already have DeviantArt on there, but as you can see, it has all the options pretty much for every different website, and it also has the folders. It is able to download folders from each of the different places, and you can choose it from here. So that's really neat. Obviously, if you want to create a new folder, you have to go to that website directly in order to do that. But otherwise, it's not too bad. This is a really nice feature. And another great thing about it is you can create these little preset things, and you can insert a template, I should say. So you can just create a template for your description. And so every time you want to just type in your description, you don't have to keep typing it in. All you just have to do is just paste that in, which is really nice. So let's just give you a quick example. Oh, right here. Yes, if you just don't do that, you can just do another one here. Just go here, paste that, save, and there you go. It pastes another one in. But of course, we don't need to do that, so I'm gonna undo that. And of course, tag groups. Tag groups also same thing. You can apply tags, which are really nice and neat, and that can be defined under here, your tag group. So you can of course go here, create a new tag group, and then you can define the name of the tags, and of course new tag group, and then just type in, I don't know, digital art or something. And that works, which is really nice. So again, all of this just saves time really, and if you have a lot of artwork, that's exactly what you need to do. That's exactly what you want, so you can essentially save a whole bunch of time instead of doing it over and over and over again. And that's about it for Postybirb. I'm not sure why this thing is popping up. It's really annoying. I think it's just a glitch. There we go. And so, yeah, it's not too bad. And then if you just want to post it, all you have to do is just hit this post button. So I'm just going to do that right now. So now it will be queued and it will post it immediately as we go. So let's just jump into my Newgrounds website so that we can see it being posted. As you can see on my profile, and once we jump right in, hopefully it should show up. Has it shown up yet? Oh, maybe I didn't post it Newgrounds yet. Oh, it's still posting. Oh, it's taking its time. Come on. Let's just refresh this. There we go. And now it's on Newgrounds. Pretty. And of course, it'll tag this with Postybirb. Hopefully that's quite helpful. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Cheers.